At the start of 2025 CES, Lenovo announced a slew of new products, from powerful gaming laptops to premium yoga laptops and quite a few new tablets. Among the newly launched Lenovo Tab are the Yoga Tab Plus, our favorite CES tablet, and the affordable Idea Tab Pro. If you're trying to decide between Lenovo's new Yoga Tab Plus and Idea Tab Pro, we've got you covered. First, we'll compare the specs and then discuss who each tablet is best for. If you're looking for a tablet with zippy performance on top of a gorgeous display, Lenovo's Yoga Tab Plus is the one for you. If you don't want to break the bank with your tablet purchase but are looking for a tablet with a large display and solid performance, check out the Idea Tab Pro. The Yoga Tab Plus is the best option for those who want to get the most performance out of a Lenovo tablet. It's equipped with a powerful set of specs, making it easy for this tablet to double as a laptop when paired with a keyboard to complete simple productivity tasks, like managing your email or working with a document processor. The Yoga Tab Plus's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor will do most of the heavy lifting, but 16 GB of RAM will help with multitasking. On top of that, it's equipped with a gorgeous display that'll make watching your favorite TV show or your YouTube channel a joy. The 12.7-inch display features 3K 2944 by 1840 resolution, a 144Hz refresh rate, and up to 900 nits max brightness. If you don't plan to use your Lenovo tablet as a laptop alternative for any tasks, you won't need to pay for the Yoga Tab Plus's power performance specs. Instead, the Idea Tab Pro is ideal for those searching for a tablet that can multitask and has a stunning large display and is more affordable. Lenovo's Idea Tab Pro has nearly the same display as the Yoga Tab Plus, but it's half the price. Both tablets feature a 12.7-inch display with 3K 2944 by 1840 resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate. The only difference is max brightness. The Yoga Tab Plus can reach a maximum brightness of 900 nits, while the Idea Tab Pro is limited to 400 nits. However, that's the average brightness of most laptops and perfectly suitable for most people. While the Yoga Tab Plus and the Idea Pad Pro are two of the most obvious tablet picks for most people, these weren't the only tablets Lenovo debuted at CES. The Legion Tab enters Lenovo's gaming-focused lineup, equipped with the powerful Snapdragon Gen 3 CPU, up to 12 GB of RAM, up to 256 GB of storage, and a gorgeous 8.8-inch display with 2560 into 1600 pixel resolution, and a speedy 165Hz refresh rate. Then there's the basic Lenovo Tab, the perfect tablet for those looking for a large media streaming device to browse the web occasionally. It features a MediaTek Helio G85 processor, up to 4 GB of memory, 128 GB of storage, and a 10.1-inch 1920 by 1200 pixel display.